Hey everyone, welcome back to your daily market close for Wednesday, June 24th, 2026. Let's break it all down. The mood on Wall Street today? Definitely mixed. The Dow managed to grind out a green session, but tech took it on the chin pretty hard. Let's get into the numbers. The S&P 500 closed at 733.24, slipping just 5 basis points. Barely moved, but still in the red. The Nasdaq told a different story, dropping 0.4% to 710.62. Tech weakness dragged it lower all session long. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones bucked the trend, rising 0.3% to 518.52. Old economy names carried the load today. Now let's talk about the Magnificent Seven. Because it was rough out there. Microsoft was today's biggest loser, tumbling 2.27% to $365.46. That is a significant move for a megacap name. Tesla followed close behind, falling 1.59% to $375.53. The EV giant just could not find any buyers today. Meta dropped 0.8% to $557.67. Not catastrophic, but still a clear down day. Nvidia slid 0.5%, closing right at $199. It's flirting with that psychologically important $200 level. And Apple dipped 0.4% to $293.08. A relatively mild decline compared to its peers. Over in commodities, things got ugly. Gold plunged 3.02% to $365.92. That is a sharp sell-off for the safe haven trade. Silver got absolutely hammered, crashing 7.09% to $51.78. That is the kind of move that turns heads. Oil also took a beating, with WTI crude falling 4.47% to $106.29 a barrel. A broad commodities sell-off across the board today. Crypto was not spared either. Bitcoin dropped 2.77%, settling at $60,769. Ethereum fell even harder, down 2.9% to $1,613.81. Risk assets across every category felt the pressure today. Unfortunately, no Forex data was available for today's session. We'll bring you those updates as soon as they come in. Now let's hit the headlines driving the conversation. NPR is asking the big question on everyone's mind. Is I one big bubble? That story is fueling the tech sell-off narrative. It's clearly weighing on investor confidence in the sector. Meanwhile, SpaceX made waves in its post-IPO journey. The stock dipped below its $150 debut price before bouncing back. And CNBC reports SpaceX just raised $25 billion in a massive debt sale. That happened less than 2 weeks after going public. Bold moves from Elon Musk's space venture. So here's the takeaway from today. Tech got hit, commodities got crushed, and crypto followed suit. The Dow was the lone bright spot in an otherwise red session. The AI bubble narrative is gaining traction and could drive more volatility. Keep an eye on whether that Nvidia $200 level holds tomorrow. Watch for more fallout from the AI sell-off discussion, and see if commodities can stabilize after today's dramatic losses. That's your market close for June 24th, 2026. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.